we stopped for some of our favorite mango gelato. So.
There you go.
Hello! It's our first day in Slovenia after
15 hours of travel from Krakow, Poland.
Yeah. So today we're gonna try and fit everything there is to do in Ljubljana into one day. So obviously it's not everything.
Tomorrow we leave for Bled, so we're just gonna make sure we cover all our bases here in Ljubljana.
There is a ton to do, but like we're not doing it all.
Yeah.
You know, we're only
just
hitting
the
a
big
couple
stuff.
of the museums, a couple of the churches. You could obviously spend forever here and still have fine things to do. We just finished with our second stop of the day, which was the Franciscan Church of the Annunciation.
Very pretty.
Which is also known as the Pink Church in Ljubljana. It's really pretty inside. Like, the outside is cool, but I think the inside definitely like
amazing.
Dominates.
Unlike most churches that we've seen, the roof was actually like very dramatically painted. It wasn't like sculptures and stuff all over the place. It was just a very large amount of paintings, so it was really cool.
The way they have this exhibit set up behind me is so cool. The way they have it set up is like its own little art piece. That's how it looks when you like walk through the door. Super cool. So I'm in here just learning about how Ljubljana got its roots and its beginnings. And then I walk into this room and I see this. That's what this man is doing in this museum. Like literally, what, an inch, if even taller than the average woman. No progress. Obviously, this museum has been really fun for Christian.
Do you want a chocolate donut or a vanilla donut? I don't have vanilla donuts. Welcome to your flight. We will be your hosts for the remainder of the trip. If you would like bread and coffee.
I knew what I was marrying.
Can you imagine us leading like a Boy Scout trip or a Girl Scout trip? That will be bad. Yeah.
I am a school child. Obviously, this museum's a lot of fun.
Yeah. We have this place back in Kansas called Exploration Place. It's
This
like a
is
museum
like
where you get to touch a
exploration
lot of things.
of Ljubljana.
Yes.
Really good for my tactile learner over
Yes,
here.
I love to touch.
The Roman house with a bread oven. Just a bread oven. We just finished up at the City Museum of Ljubljana. It was actually a lot of fun. I think we definitely recommend it. If you use Apple Maps, it's wrong, okay? It's like 2 streets off. Now we're walking to this building designed by Vernick. So it's got a really pretty outside like facade, but it's actually a bank, so we're not gonna like go inside or anything. So we're currently in the city center, in the like historic town, and we have the city town hall right there. This fountain statue right here. And down there is the St. Nicholas Church we're going to, but we stopped for some of our favorite mango gelato.
There you go.
really great church.
Really phenomenal. It told a lot of history about like the Bible, and you could read basically the pictures on the wall. It was amazing. So now we're getting ready to head up to the castle. We're gonna take this funicular all the way up.
The funicular is out of order, so we're just gonna walk up. It's only like 10-20 minute walk, but I think it looks really beautiful.
After about a less than 5 minute hike, I'm exhausted.
Hey, it's sweaty.
And we have made it to the castle.
Woohoo!
And I'm quite dizzy.
Oh, look at the view.
Really good.
Awesome.
And we are
Worth it.
living. Alright, we are walking right up to the castle. This is the Ljubljana Grad. It is very ancient because it is a castle. Just kidding. We're going to find out some history when we go inside.
Like a simulation. I would walk through all the castle stuff with like a little video game thing.
So this is what we are walking down currently. We are at the top of Ljubljana Grad, and it is very, very awesome.
Yeah, we kind of got on a random staircase. I was like, oh, viewing tower. Yeah, I think that's up here. It's so cool. And the city views are beautiful.
We just finished eating. Tomorrow we leave for Lake Bled. Tonight we're just gonna chill and walk around and
hopefully find some ice cream.
find some ice cream.